In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Nerdio Manager for WVD, starting with version 2.11, to be able to automatically refresh session host VMs after users have logged off of them. So if we go into workspaces, go into one of our demo workspaces and select the host pool. So let's go ahead and pick this host pool right here called Field Apps. Go to Auto Scale and Configure. You will see there is now a new option called Automatically Re-image Used Hosts. And the way this will work is that if we select this option, then every time a user, at least one user, logs into a session host, when all users have logged off, that session host is going to be automatically re-imaged based on the configuration selected up here. The reason you may want to do this is because you want to keep all your session host VMs in pristine state, and anytime they become used, meaning a user has logged into them and has done some operations, you want to bring them back into the pristine, up-to-date state of the image. This way, session hosts are constantly re-imaged and updated on a rolling basis as users are logging off of them. Now, this applies to obviously pooled host pools. And because there are two types of pooled host pools, there's multi-user host pools and single-user pooled host pools. The way this feature works is slightly different depending on the type of host pool it is. So in my case right now, I am looking at a host pool that is multi-user, meaning there could be several users that are logging into a single VM, in which case these multi-session hosts will be re-imaged once the very last user logs off of it. However, when we're dealing with single user host pools, for example, let's find one, for example, this one, sales and marketing, we go to auto scale configure and check this option. In this case, every time a user logs off from their own machine, since they are the last user to log off, that machine is going to be re-imaged. So again, the feature is called automatically re-image used hosts. A host becomes used when the user logs into it, and it gets automatically re-imaged to the latest version of the selected desktop image after the very last user logs off of it. Hope you found this useful, and I will see you in future videos.